There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop in Destroyer Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, red Brembo brakes, rear load leveling suspension, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, rear seat video system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number 90499A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.